What if she didn't leave because she stopped loving you, but because she stopped respecting you? Could your kindness have actually made her cold? Are you willing to hear the hard truth without sugarcoating it? What if these 10 brutal facts could save your next relationship, or even save you? She didn't ghost you. You disappeared from her emotional radar first. Welcome to Stoic Soulja, where pain is our teacher and self-mastery is the reward. 1. Stop guessing, start owning. Most men get left and spend months asking the wrong questions. Was it something I said? Was it the fight we had? Did she meet someone new? Maybe, but let me offer a harder truth. She didn't leave because of one fight. She left because you became predictable, soft, reactive, and easy to walk over. You see, modern relationships are pressure cookers. And under pressure, the fake dies fast. The weak get exposed. You don't lose her the day she walks out. You lost her. When you begged for her attention, when you let disrespect slide, when you forgot who the hell you were. Let's break down the 10 most brutal reasons she walked out on you. 1. You made her your purpose. She wants to orbit your world, not be your world. When she feels like she's your only reason for waking up, she starts suffocating. A man without mission becomes a man without mystery, and mystery is attraction. 2. You overvalidated. You thought compliments would make her feel secure. Instead, they made her bored. When there's no challenge, there's no chase. 3. You chased after disrespect. She tested your boundaries, and you smiled through it. You rewarded eye rolls, ghosting, and mood swings with more affection, thinking it would fix things. What you tolerate, you teach. What you beg for, you lose. 4. You begged after silence. Instead of holding frame, you folded. You chased her with paragraphs, calls, and desperation, and she saw fear, not power. 5. You lacked ambition. Women don't need you to be rich. They need to see motion, purpose, drive. She saw you coasting and checked out mentally before she walked out physically. 6. You tried to fix her moods. You became her therapist instead of her man. You thought emotional support meant solving all her storms. Wrong. She needed space. She needed stillness. She needed you to remain grounded. 7. You had no boundaries. You tolerated her worst, hoping for her best. You forgave disrespect before apologies. You stayed after betrayal just to keep the connection alive. 8. You got too emotional. Your love was reactive. You cried too early. You got jealous too fast. You shared too much too soon. You became a mirror, not a rock. 9. You made her feel more masculine than you. She had to lead. She had to plan. She had to guess your direction. If she's the man in the relationship, she'll find a real one eventually. 10. You stayed too long in uncertainty. She asked you what you wanted, and you stuttered. You couldn't lead the relationship, so she found clarity elsewhere. Indecision is a turnoff. Leadership is the ultimate aphrodisiac. Now it's your time to own it. Don't drown in it. This episode is not to shame you, it's to wake you up. You can keep blaming her, or you can evolve into the man she never saw coming. You don't get power back by arguing. You get it by transforming in silence. You don't get revenge by texting her back. You get it by becoming the man she secretly hoped you'd become, but gave up on. Let her leave. Let her move on. You're not here to win her back. You're here to win yourself back. You can spiral, or you can sharpen. You can beg, or you can build. This pain, it's your promotion. Use it. Now, if you listen to this very point, then comment below. The hardest truth I had to accept was, subscribe to this channel now if you're done being ghosted and ready to be unforgettable. Join the Stoic Soulja today, because from now on, you're not chasing, you're leading. This is your new reality now.